Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to create documents. This is especially useful if you want to create quotes or other PDF files. We also call it printing, but for clarity, we'll stick with the term creating a quote. But before we get started, I'd like to give you some important tips and basic knowledge. The print area. By default, only the active table is printed. The templates. You can use your own templates in docx or XLSX format. We explain how to set this up in our documentation. You can find the link in the video description. And finally, a layout tip. Using the print settings, you can specify your preferred default font size and whether to print as a PDF. To do this, first go to Edit mode in the top right corner and then click the three dots on the left. Let's create a quote now. Open the Customers table. Click on a customer and click the printer icon in the top right. Use the default template or simply create a new one. We'll create a new template and name it Quote. By clicking the plus sign in the top right, you can add various fields, such as a logo, and drag them to the desired location. You can also display different tables here. You can see what this all looks like in our template called Offers and Invoices. Simply create a new database and select the template. Pro tip, you can have many fields autofilled, such as the address or product descriptions. My colleague Ben Lucas recorded a more in-depth video on this topic, which I've linked to in the top right corner of the info card. Great, you've successfully created your first quote. Would you like more customization options? With Ninox Enterprise, we offer you advanced templates and automation. Just get in touch with us. You'll find the contact link in the video description. Thank you for watching.
Ninox.